Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I will show you how you can register your book or novel with the US Copyright Office. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to copyright.gov, and then you want to go to registration, then you want to click on literary works. And then here we have some information on the type of literary work, and then you click register a literary work. If you see this pop up, just click OK, and then it will take you to the login page. And if you have never logged in and this is your first time, you want to click. So if it's your first time, just register an account. It's going to ask you for your name, password, and a security question on the first page. And then on the second page, it's going to ask you for your address and your phone number. And then with that, you will be creating your account. For the password, if you're having trouble and it keeps giving you an error with the password, you click here to see the details of the password instructions. The instructions are very specific. You must have numbers and special characters in uppercase, and you can't have three of the same characters, else it will not work. So you can't have any character written 3 times, or else the password does not work. If you're having trouble, just look through this instruction for your password and you'll be able to easily create your password. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to my login page so that I can log in. Okay, so I've put in my login details and now I'm going to log in. So I've put in my login detail and I'm logging in. Now you want to make sure that you type out your username and your password, because if you're getting issues with logging in with your password, it might be that you need to just type out your username and your password. Just a tip for you, because I've had times where it didn't log me in, and the issue was that it's because I just pasted my username in, it didn't work. Anyway, so when you get in here, you'll see copyright registration and then register work, and you should click on standard application, and then you click on get started. And then the type of work, you are going to click literary work, and then it shows you what literary work includes. It includes works of fiction, non-fiction, poetry, textbook, reference work, directories, catalogs, advertising, copy, compilations of information, computer programs, and databases. So if you're registering a book, a novel, then this is what you want to put the category in, literary work, and it's very important for you to select the right category. So if you scroll down, it's going to ask you to click this button here to confirm that you are selecting the correct category. And then you click continue. Now on this end is where you see the different steps for you to go through. So now here we are at titles. So you should give the title as it appears on your work. Click new, and then you click title, type title of work being registered, and then you put the title of your work. And then you click save. And then you go ahead and click next, continue. Have this work been published? You select yes or no if it has been published. and you put the year of completion, which is 2023. And then here's where you're going to add the authors. So you click new to add the author. So here I've filled out information. Just put your name, your citizenship, and if this work was made for hire, and then you click save. And then you click the type of work that has been created. Is it text? Is it computer program? So if it's a book or a novel, it would be text. And then you click save. And then if there are more than one authors, you can click new to keep adding authors. And down here you can see that the author information was added. And then you click continue. So now it's for the claimant. So this is the person that would be the claimant for the copyright. So that would be you in this case. So you want to click new and you want to put your information in here. Okay, so here I've added the information. It's just your name and your address that you put in here, and then you click save. Okay, so you want to click continue. And this is the limitation of claim. So there is no limitation of your claim. If your content is completely original and there's no limitation that you want to put on it, you just can skip this part and just click continue. Rights and permission. This is for the contact information for the person to be contacted regarding copyright management information or permission to use the work. So this is where you'd put in your information so that if anyone is interested in regards to permission to use your work, they can reach you, and in regards to any copyright, they can reach you. So you're gonna put in your name, email, phone number, address, just all these are optional, so you can choose what information to put in here. You don't have to put you don't have to fill out everything, but put the important things so that someone can contact you in case of any permission for copyright. Okay, so I filled out the information here. So now you want to click continue. And this is your information that you're going to put here, so that in case the copyright office wants to contact you regarding questions to your application, they can contact you. So once you fill in the information here, you're going to click continue. And then here is where you'd like your certificate to be mailed to. So you're going to put in your name and your address so that the copyright office can mail your certificate to you. Here I filled out the information, so you're going to click continue. And then this is special handling. So if you want to an expedited service where you want to have your certification and registration faster, it's going to be at an additional cost. This is not something that is needed, it is optional, so you can click continue. But if it's for your attorney that needs it expeditiously, or you have a pending litigation, then you can definitely use this option. But for now, we'll just go ahead and continue since we don't need special handling. And then here is where you're going to confirm that you are the author. You're going to just click this checkbox, and your work is exclusive, you have the right, it is original. So you check this this box, and then you're going to put in your name. Okay, once that's done, then you click continue, and this is where you're going to review your submission to make sure that all the information is correct. And you want to review and make sure that there's no mistake, because once you pass this point, you can't go back and change anything. So if you review and see there's any mistakes, then you can click the section where the mistake is, correct it, and come back. So once you're done and everything looks good, you're going to go to add to cart, and then you're going to check out, and then that's where you're going to pay the fee for the copyright registration. And once you have paid, you're going to receive a confirmation email, and then you're going to be taken to a page where you can upload your novel or your book. So you're going to upload it, and when you're uploading it, make sure that it has a title on it, the same title that you registered here, and you want to make sure that your name is also on the title page as well. And you want to make sure that it's one document, it's not the chapters are on separate different documents. It's one document. You can have it as a Word document or a PDF document, but it's a single document that you upload. And then once you upload your document, you'll receive a confirmation email, and the next step is that the Copyright Office will mail you your certificate. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help answer your questions.